Industries such as finance, government, healthcare, and manufacturing, due to their specific nature, have stringent requirements for business continuity and need to meet compliance requirements. However, traditional DR involves building and maintaining a disaster recovery data center, which is expensive and technically complex. How can we simplify the DR process and ensure the efficient and stable operation of business continuity? HyperBDR Cloud Disaster Recovery, by calling 52 APIs of the cloud platform, carries out resource scheduling and orchestration. One-click cloud recovery. With the unique boot-in cloud technology, no need for pre-launch instances and pre-configuration, enabling one-click restoration of the workload to an operable state. Streamlined DR in 3 steps. 3-step wizard-style UL interface greatly simplifies the complex operations of traditional disaster recovery, achieving high automation with effortless DR configuration. HyperBDR Cloud DR, based on cloud-native capabilities, creates new scenarios for cloud-based disaster recovery.